Number 1. 1986 Ford F250 XL 4x4 6.9 NITA, $5,000, Rockford, Washington. This 1986 Ford F250 XL is a dependable four-wheel drive diesel pickup powered by the legendary 6.9-liter International Harvester V8 diesel paired with a manual transmission. Showing 99,999 miles on its rolled-over odometer, the truck runs and drives well while benefiting from extensive maintenance over the past 4 years. Nearly every major brake component has been replaced, along with the exhaust, glow plugs, glow plug controller, brake booster, master cylinder, heater blower motor, ignition components, batteries, battery cables, tachometer sensor, and more. Spare new old stock electrical parts are also included. These early Ford diesel trucks are respected for their exceptional durability, simple mechanical design, and ability to accumulate extremely high mileage. Number 2. 1985 Chevrolet C20, $6,500, Poteau, Oklahoma. This 1985 Chevrolet C20 square body is a solid long bed pickup featuring a mildly built 350 cubic inch small block V8 and automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include new cylinder heads, head and intake gaskets, ARP hardware, Y-end intake manifold, Summit carburetor, long tube headers, aluminum radiator, starter, alternator, complete fuel system, and new tires. The truck has almost no rust and wears an attractive natural patina after the original lettering was removed. A modern Bluetooth sound system adds convenience while preserving its classic character. Square-body Chevrolet trucks continue to be among the hottest collectibles in today's classic truck market. Number 3. 1989 Dodge D350 Cummins diesel flatbed, $9,000, Pelican Lake, Wisconsin. This 1989 Dodge D350 is equipped with one of the most respected diesel engines ever built, the 5.9-liter 12-valve Cummins inline 6. Paired with an automatic transmission, dual rear wheels, and a heavy-duty flatbed, this truck has approximately 128,000 original miles and a clean Wisconsin title. First-generation Cummins-powered Dodge trucks have developed a loyal following thanks to their legendary reliability, outstanding torque, and million-mile reputation. Finding an original, relatively low-mileage example like this has become increasingly difficult. Number 4. 1988 Ford F250 Flatbed Stake Bed, $7,488, San Leandro, California. This 1988 Ford F250 Stake Bed is powered by the famous 7.3-liter International diesel engine, backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. Showing fewer than 95,000 original miles, it features power steering, air conditioning, and a clean title. The naturally aspirated 7.3-liter diesel is widely recognized for exceptional longevity, with many examples exceeding several 100,000 miles when properly maintained. Combined with the practical stake bed configuration, this truck remains an excellent workhorse that avoids California emissions inspections due to its age. Number 5. 1984 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe C20, $5,000, Camas, Washington. This family-owned 1984 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe C20 has remained with its original owners since new. Powered by the dependable 350 small block V8 and manual transmission, it has traveled only about 84,000 miles and remains in working condition with a clean Washington title. As a 3/4-ton pickup, it offers heavy-duty capability while maintaining the simple, rugged design that made 80s Chevrolet trucks so popular. Original ownership history significantly enhances its appeal among collectors. Number 6. 1956 Chevrolet 3100, $14,995, Los Angeles, California. This beautiful 1956 Chevrolet 3100 retains its original 265 cubic inch V8 and 3-speed column shift manual transmission, making it one of the earliest Chevrolet pickups equipped with factory V8 power. Recently revived after long-term indoor storage, it starts, runs, shifts, steers, and brakes well. Recent improvements include a new oak bed with aluminum strips, rebuilt carburetor, new steering wheel, battery, and ignition switch. It also retains its original California black plates, adding extra collector value. The Task Force generation remains one of the most iconic classic truck designs ever produced. Number 7. 1972 Ford F250, $7,000, Palmdale, California. Showing only 47,990 original miles, this 1972 Ford F250 has reportedly been exceptionally well maintained throughout its life. Equipped with a strong V8 engine and automatic transmission, the truck runs beautifully and is described as reliable enough for everyday use. Its low mileage, clean condition, and originality make it an appealing survivor from Ford's popular 5th-generation truck lineup. These trucks are admired for their durable construction and timeless styling. Number 8. 1970 Ford F250 Ranger Camper Special, $6,900, Kennewick, Washington. This original 1970 Ford F250 Ranger Camper Special combines desirable factory options with excellent preservation. Powered by a rebuilt 390 cubic inch V8 and rebuilt C6 automatic transmission, it also features factory power steering, upgraded front disc brakes, dealer-installed air conditioning, tilt steering wheel, and the factory in-bed toolbox unique to Camper Special models. Wearing its original paint and remaining local since new, this solid survivor offers authenticity rarely found in classic pickup trucks today. Number 9. 1977 Chevrolet C20, $7,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1977 Chevrolet square body C20 is a running and driving project with a freshly serviced engine and automatic transmission. Although body restoration is still needed, its mechanical condition provides a solid foundation for future improvements. Clean title documentation accompanies the truck. Square body Chevrolet pickups continue to increase in popularity because of their rugged construction, classic styling, and excellent parts availability. Number 10. 1974 Chevrolet K30 Crew Cab, $14,500. Astoria, Oregon. This highly modified 1974 Chevrolet K30 Crew Cab is built for serious off-road capability. It features 4-wheel drive, a powerful Buick 455 V8, new Venture NV4500 manual transmission, Dana 60 front axle, 14-bolt rear axle with 456 gears, transfer case, 4-inch lift, 35-inch tires, and dual 3-inch exhaust. The later model front clip adds a custom appearance while preserving the truck's heavy-duty capabilities. Crew Cab K30 models are exceptionally rare and highly sought after among off-road enthusiasts. Number 11. 1999 Dodge Dakota, $800. Payson, Arizona. This affordable 1999 Dodge Dakota offers a strong-running V6 engine, automatic transmission, clean title, and good tires. A brand new battery has recently been installed, while the truck starts immediately and remains operational. It does require front suspension repairs and has a check engine light illuminated, making it ideal for someone seeking an inexpensive project or dependable work truck. Dakota pickups remain appreciated for their mid-size practicality and durable drivetrains. Number 12, 1954 Chevrolet Shortbed pickup, $12,000. San Antonio, Texas. This 1954 Chevrolet Shortbed has received extensive mechanical improvements, including a rebuilt inline 6-cylinder engine, a 4-speed manual transmission sourced from a 1969 Chevrolet Nova, and a brand new pickup bed. While the odometer is no longer accurate, the truck offers dependable mechanicals and classic advanced design styling. These early Chevrolet pickups remain among the most recognizable and collectible American trucks ever produced. Number 13, 1989 Mazda B2600i SE5 4x4 pickup, $12,000, Oakland, California. This rare 1989 Mazda B2600i SE5 extended cab combines compact dimensions with genuine 4-wheel drive capability. Powered by a 2.6-liter 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it has only 67,000 miles and has received numerous upgrades, including new shocks, radiator, tires, rear bumper, Bluetooth radio, and regular maintenance. Retaining its original paint and upholstery while passing emissions testing, this increasingly scarce Japanese pickup offers outstanding originality and everyday usability. Number 14, 1983 Chevrolet K10, $13,500. Santa Fe, New Mexico. This upgraded 1983 Chevrolet K10 combines classic square body styling with several practical performance improvements. Powered by a fuel-injected 350 cubic inch V8 paired with the rugged SM4665 4-speed manual transmission, it also features 3/4-ton axles, a new cowl hood, new rear bumper, fresh carpet, and modern Phytech electronic fuel injection. The truck runs smoothly with no leaks or unusual noises, making it an ideal blend of vintage appearance and modern reliability. Number 15. 1964 Ford F100, $11,000. Kelso, Washington. This 1964 Ford F100 has been upgraded with a reliable 351 Windsor V8, poly carburetor, FMX 3-speed automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, stabilizer bar, and new wheels and tires. Additional features include a restored seat, functioning heater, dual glass pack exhaust, and upgraded audio system. The truck runs and drives well, offering the relaxed driving characteristics typical of early 60s full-size pickups, while remaining an enjoyable weekend cruiser. Number 16. 1966 Chevrolet El Camino, $15,000. Palmdale, California. This 1966 Chevrolet El Camino blends classic muscle car styling with pickup utility. Recently fitted with a rebuilt 350 cubic inch small block V8 and rebuilt TH350 automatic transmission with only about 500 miles of use, it also features polished American racing wheels, 4 new tires, headers, a 3-inch performance exhaust, trailer hitch, and black interior. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, making it an attractive choice for collectors seeking a reliable, upgraded first-generation El Camino that is equally comfortable at local car shows or weekend cruises.